Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Addison Dempsey at EBA Hearing and Sound. Today I'm going to talk to you about the anatomy of our ear. First, we have our outer ear, and this is the part that we can see. It consists of our pinna and our external auditory meatus, known as our ear canal. Our pinna is made up of cartilage and soft tissue that helps it keep its shape but also remain very flexible. The job of our pinna is to localize sound and then direct that sound into our ear canal. At the end of our ear canal is our tympanic membrane, also known as our eardrum. This is where our middle ear system starts. Our middle ear has 3 tiny bones in it, known as the ossicles. They consist of the malleus, incus, and stapes. These 3 bones form a chain from our eardrum and connects it to the start of our inner ear. Different pitches or how loud or soft a sound is will make the eardrum move more or less. These sound vibrations then make the ossicles move, sending the signal to our cochlea, which is that bony structure that looks a lot like a snail shell and is our hearing organ. This is where our inner ear starts. It has fluid and hair cells inside of it, and when those bones in our middle ear move, it pushes and moves that fluid in our cochlea. This movement triggers the hair cells to send electrical signals through the auditory nerve and then to our brain. Not all hair cells move at the same time. It depends on the pitch of the sound. So high-pitched sounds trigger the base of the cochlea, while low-pitched sounds trigger those hair cells at the apex of the cochlea. Your brain understands these electrical signals as sounds and will then have to figure out what the sound means and how to properly respond. This is how we hear. In addition, our inner ear also helps control our balance by focusing on motion, head position, and our orientation in space. The parts of our inner ear that help with balance share the same space and fluid as the cochlea. These parts are known as the semicircular canals, the utricle, and the saccule. The semicircular canals consist of 3 tiny fluid-filled tubes that assist us in the stability and balance by sensing rotational movements. Each canal detects a different head motion. So our anterior canal is in charge of saying yes, our horizontal canal is in charge of saying no, and our posterior canal is in charge of head tilts. Next, our otolith organs are known as the utricle and the saccule. They help in sensing the head positions. So the utricle is focused on the horizontal plane, while the saccule is focused on the vertical plane. Both have chambers that are embedded with calcium deposits called otoconia, which are often referred to as the crystals in our ears. These essentially act as little gravity detectors. So when we move, the crystals move along a sticky pad, and these movements will trigger those hair cells and send signals to our brain, letting it process the movement. Both our hearing and balance systems are so complex, but this is just a general overview of it all. So I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you learned something new, and I hope you have a wonderful day.